Joe Biden signs a $1 trillion bill that could hamstring crypto. So, you guys, welcome back. Jubai Keys live on CoinMarketCap's blog. Article by Leo Jacobson and Jubai Keys here. So, we're going to be doing an article review on this. So, much ado about nothing. So, President Joe Biden has signed a $1 trillion infrastructure bill into law, bringing with it new reporting requirements for cryptocurrency transactions that many in the industry feel are unworkable and could hamstring everything from mining to decentralized exchanges. So the provision in question expands the definition of brokers who must report any transaction of more than $10,000 to the Internal Revenue Service (IRS). It sought to raise $28 billion to help pay for the bill. So that reporting must include the personal identity information, essentially anti-money laundering and know your customer data of the person making the transaction. So unfortunately, the definition was so broad that it captures not only the real brokers and the exchanges it targeted, but also cryptocurrency miners and validators. So node operators, software developers, and leaderless decentralized exchanges, none of whom are capable of capturing the data required. So specifically, it defines a broker as any person who, for consideration, regularly provides any service responsible for effectuating transfers of digital assets, including any decentralized exchange or peer-to-peer marketplace. So there was widespread acknowledgement in progress that the provision was poorly written. 99 senators voted to amend the language before sending the infrastructure bill to the House, but one Senator Richard Shelby objected for unrelated reasons, scuttling it. So, given the intensity of the political fight over the broader bill, there wasn't enough bandwidth to get the provision changed in the House. So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here. You can check it out on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So, much ado about nothing. So, that said, the concern over the bill's language may be overblown, according to Stephen Paley, co-chair of law firm Anderson's Q blockchain virtual currency practice. So in August, he told CNBC, even assuming the whole thing gets through the House, which is anyone's guess, the language is ambiguous and there's flawed testimony that says that the intent is not to impose reporting requirements on infrastructure providers. Who knows what implementing regulations would look like, and if bad, they seem likely to be challenged in court. So noting that the language could even be read to capture internet and telecom or service providers, he added, there is no way the language can be fairly construed to mean that. So guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today's news update on Joe Biden's and $1 trillion bill. If you find this informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your Keys. Thanks for watching. Peace out and see you in our future uploads.